Every minute, every second, your business generates massive amounts of data. This data is stored in logs that hold the key to improved decision-making, better business strategy, and enhanced security. Yet, you might monitor thousands of objects in your environment, each generating thousands of logs. Trying to find the exact log out of thousands and thousands is impossibly complex and time-consuming. This overwhelming task turns potential strategic value into a business barrier. VMware Intelligent Logging brings order to this chaos and turns massive amounts of unstructured data into actionable insights. By ingesting logs from anything in your environment that generates logs, operating systems, applications, servers, storage, firewalls, network devices, and so on, VMware offers a single location for collecting, storing, and analyzing your logs at scale. Drill down to the root cause of issues within seconds. Efficiently navigate an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Extend across physical, virtual, and cloud environments. Enjoy effortless native support for vSphere, or extend the capabilities of Log Insight with content packs. And with the integration of vRealize Operations, you get the combined power of metrics and logs, eliminating blind spots for full-stack visibility, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Start now with a 60-day evaluation license of vRealize Log Insight, or sign up for a 30-day free trial of vRealize Log Insight Cloud, VMware's SaaS log analytics solution for private, hybrid, and public clouds. Don't miss out on the valuable insights buried in your mountains of logs. Try vRealize Log Insight or Log Insight Cloud to achieve strategic goals and generate insights that are data-driven.